Welcome to Palm Pathways, where we bring clarity to global property investment. We believe clarity is the foundation of successful global investment. For many first-time global investors, the biggest challenge isn't finding properties. It's understanding who does what, and critically, who to trust in a new market. This is precisely where our introducer model brings significant value and peace of mind. An introducer model focuses on guidance and connection. This means helping investors understand the specific opportunities and the local market intricacies. We then connect you directly with the right developers and trusted local professionals for the transaction. The key benefit of this model is the crystal clear role definition throughout your journey. When roles are clearly defined, expectations become clearer, reducing uncertainty for the beginner. You always know exactly who is responsible for each phase: guidance, selection, legal, and handover. This clarity ensures that beginners feel more informed, confident, and supported throughout the entire complex investment process. Our focus isn't just on the sale, but on empowering you, the investor. Beginners don't just need opportunities, they need understanding, transparency, and reliable support at every turn. This commitment to transparency is what creates a fundamentally safer and clearer investment path for you. To summarize the core principle of smart global investing, in global property investment, clarity creates confidence. And confidence in your process is what creates better, more successful decisions. Palm Pathways, your gateway to global investment. Contact us to start your clear path today.
PalmPathways.com.
For more videos, subscribe to our channel.